Good day, my people at Mark Drew Speaks. We've got a new series coming. It just came to me. I felt it. We're starting it. We're going to do it. We're going to do a verse of the week from the good book, the Bible. We're going to take it. We're going to just pull it up. Whatever it says, we're going to speak on it. Hey, let's get started. Ye are the light of the world. A city that is set on a hill cannot be hid. Matthew 5:14. You, the light of the world, set upon a hill. Think about that. What do you picture? I see a lighthouse. I see light coming from this hill, raining down. That is a beautiful thing. Think about when you light a candle. You stick it up and it lights the house. It shines down. That's what you must do. You must radiate out. Radiate out. And when I say you, what are we talking about? I'm talking about the you, your works, your acts, the way you live your life must radiate out. The way we transform this world is through example and through testimony and touching hearts out here. It's not by just arguing with people. We can argue on the internet all day. But you've got that light, you have that love, and it must radiate out. So you must set it upon a hill. So it must be seen. See, we can sit there with the light at home all day, and you can just shine bright in your house. But that's not going to change the world. It doesn't work that way. I get upset sometimes. I look at the world in catastrophe, and I have brothers of the faith just telling me to pray about it. It's, well, Jesus is going to fix it. What are you talking about? Yes, I pray, but God gave me a brain, hands, and feet too. God wants me to work. We have to get out there and shine the light. You can't just sit at home, meditate, and pray all day. Now you can. No, you can. If you just want to go out in the woods, let an apple fall on your head, that's fine. But what we're saying here today in this verse is let your light shine down, which means you have to get it out there. A city upon a hill cannot be hid. If you're on that hill, it cannot be hid. Right now, as we stay, whether we're in quarantine or whatnot, or just Netflixing and chilling at the house, we're hiding. And the world looks horrible. To the kids, it looks horrible. They're stuck watching the news. And that's why we have so many people with a pessimistic view. Look at the levels of depression in our country. We have so much abundance, yet we have depression. People aren't seeing the light. You can be that light, that city on the hill. If we work, if we light that flame and have the courage to stand upon that hill. Ooh, that's a good one right there. Love someone today. Hey, follow along, subscribe, because we're just getting started. I can't wait to see what next week has for us. Peace.